Self-realization, a journey to discover one's true self. Self-realization is the process of gaining a deeper understanding of what you are, your values, and your place in this world. It's a journey of self-discovery that helps to develop a stronger sense of identity, purpose, and direction. First, you should be self-aware. That is done by mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness meditation to remain calm and focus on the present moment, not past, not future. Start with just 10 to 15 minute sessions, gradually increase the duration. Then journaling. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Reflect in general to identify the patterns, strengths, and your weaknesses. Self reflection or introspection. Schedule regular time for self reflection. Ask questions like, what are my values and belief system? What makes me more happy? What are my long term goals and short term goals? Then self acceptance. Let go of self criticism, practice self compassion, and acknowledge the imperfections in your life. Treat self and others with just kindness. Embracing your strengths. Focus on positive qualities and its strengths. Celebrate small achievements and accomplishments daily in your life. Then, developing the self forgiveness. Practice forgiveness towards self as well as others. Let go of grudges and negative emotions. Then, self discovery. That's the most important aspect. Exploring your passions. Engage in activities that bring joy, harmony, and fulfillment of your dreams. Explore the passions and interest in the life. Setting boundaries. Establish healthy boundaries with others to protect time, energy, as well as emotions. Develop the self trust. Cultivate self trust by listening to inner intuition, inner voice, and making decisions that align with your moral values. Self actualization. Pursuing your purpose. Align your actions and goals with your purpose as well as values. Embracing the lifelong learning. Continuously seeking knowledge, skills, and experiences that support the personal as well as professional growth. That's very must. Then cultivating meaningful relationships. Nurture relationships that support the well being, growth, as well as happiness in your life. Remember, self realization is a continuous journey. Be just patient, kind, and compassionate with oneself as well as with others. Practice gratitude and appreciation for life's experiences. Develop growth mindset, embracing the challenges and failures as opportunities for further growth. Take care of your physical, emotional, mental, spiritual well being. That's very must. Again, by following this step by step guide, one would be well on your way to achieving the self realization and unlocking the fully potential. You should know your worth and you should know that you can be the best version. Don't just concentrate on the mistakes which you have done already in the past. Remember, your present is in your hands and you can make very bright future, and even just don't think what the future is going to be. Just concentrate on the present. That's it. Thank you.